What it do, you guys? Welcome to another video. We're going to be doing some chrome nail powders, and thank you to Allstarry for sending over these chrome powders, and it tells you everything on the back of how to do chrome powders, just in case you don't know how to do them. It does have the instructions on the back. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and open this up. Welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can subscribe to your girl. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to let you know when I do upload new videos. So far I am liking these. These are 1 gram each. You do get 4 different colors in there, and like I said before, it does have the instructions on the back, just in case you don't know how to do chrome. All right, as you can see, we do have 8 different colors. You can see in the camera these are really beautiful, and this is how the container looks. I'm just going to show a close-up of how the chromes look, so that way you guys can kind of see how they look. This one is really pretty. And that's awesome that it does come with the little sponges. I forgot what these are called, but it does come with that. So so these have numbers on them. So let me see if I believe I don't know, they're different names. Okay, so this one is called Violet Green Emeralds. It is. So I'm not sure what the names of them are. If I do find out what the names of them are, I will put that on the screen so that way you guys can know. And I did get these off of, the company is on Amazon, so I will leave the links and everything in the description box below, so that way if you guys are interested in getting these chromes, you are able to get them off of Amazon. All right, so on that note, let's open them. Let's open up one, because I know there's going to be messy, and I don't want to mess. Let me. Well, you guys can't really see the different colors in them, but you kind of can see the purple right here. Yeah, there you go. That's how that one looked. Okay, so I did open them up, and they're beautiful, especially this one. This one is really beautiful. You can't really tell on camera, but it's like a emerald green almost. That one's really pretty. And this one is almost like a charcoal gray. You can see the purple around here. That one's really pretty. I'm just so scared that I'm gonna drop them because I'm such a klutz. You can kind of see the green in that one as well. That one is really, really pretty. When I turn it this way, you can kind of see the purple, or like the pinkish. This is going to be a hard choice. I don't know which one I'm going to use because they're all so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and put on my nails so that way the video won't be so long. And we're just going to go ahead and get down to the nail art. Okay, as you guys can see, I already have my nails prepped and everything, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply the base coat. Okay, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Alright, so I'm going to be applying two colors, and it's going to be a pink and a blue. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my nails, and then I will cure that for 30 seconds. Just stay falling, lay on my pillowcase, my babe, my babe. Come have a taste, a taste, a taste. Lay on my pillowcase, my babe, my babe. Starting over differently, moviendo con intención, doing it for me. I don't got a second to waste. I don't got time. Alright, so I have them all painted. I am doing this one for real, so please don't mind that one, just in case you're wondering why it's not painted. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my top coat. Sitting pretty in my sundress. Me veo bonita, I could care less. No pienses que me impresionaste. I've been on go. Okay, and I'm going to put that under the lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the chromes.
I am going to be using this one, and this one. On my way to somewhere far away. Can't hit the brakes, but if you keep it back, I'll make a space. Stay a moment on my pillowcase. Moment on my pillowcase. On my pillowcase. Giving you a taste. At the end of the day, I could care less what comes next, 'cause I'm not falling, just stay falling. Lay on my pillowcase, my babe, my babe. Come have a taste, a taste, a taste. Lay on my pillowcase, my babe, my babe. Starting over. Alright, so I have the chrome on all of these. And so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use, because I'm doing 3D, so I'm going to go ahead and use my McCart rhinestone glue,
and I'm just going to let it flow. I don't have a particular design that I want to do, so I'm just going to let it flow. Well, first let me go ahead and dust this off, the excess off. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cure that for like 10 seconds. All right, so she is all cured. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use this one for that.
I'm sitting pretty in my sundress. Me veo bonita, I could care less. No pienses que me impresionaste. I've been on go. Started over differently. Moviendo con intención de whatever me. I don't got a second to it.
This is how she is looking so far. So good. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of them off camera so this video wouldn't be so long, and I mean it's just repetitive, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them off camera. Okay, so here's how she is looking. I'm going to go ahead and apply some top coat.
Giving you a taste at the end of the day. I could care less what comes next, 'cause I'm not falling, just evolving. Lay on my pillowcase, my babe, my babe. Come have a taste, a taste, a taste. Lay on my pillowcase, my babe, my babe. Starting over differently, moviendo con intención, doing it for me. I don't got a second.
And I'm going to go ahead and cure that for the full 60 seconds. All right, so I applied my top coat and cured it already. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my cuticle oil.
Somewhere far away, can't hit the brakes, but if you keep it back, I'll make a space. Stay a moment on my pillowcase, moment on my pillowcase. Catch me.
Okay guys, so this is how she is looking, and she is so cute. I am digging these. So thank you to Allstarry for sending over these chromes to me, and I really love these chromes. They are really beautiful, and I will leave the link to these chromes in the description box down below. They are from Amazon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I will and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when your girl do upload a new video. And on that note, I will and I hope to see you guys on my next upload. Until then.
Babe,